How to resolve Coinbase withdrawal failed. To resolve a failed Coinbase withdrawal, you want to immediately verify your account's identity. So what you want to do is, if your recently deposited fund via ACH, they may be on hold for 3 to 5 business days, preventing withdrawal. Next, you also want to make sure or ensure your account is fully verified. If ID verification is incomplete or expired, you could update your documents as well. Next, you also want to make sure to contact your bank to ensure they are not blocking transaction to Coinbase. Next, you want to ensure you are withdrawing to supported account. If a card fails, you could try linking a bank account directly as well. Next, if none of these steps work, you could try clearing your app cache, or try updating your app as well. So if you want to clear your app cache, you want to go to settings, open apps, locate Coinbase from the list, and after which you want to go to storage and cache, and that should be able to help you resolve your Coinbase withdrawal field. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.